Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Mathematics 2B Parabola, a very short answer questions. Okay. Now, look at our question number 1. So here the question is like this. Find the coordinates of the parabola y square is equal to 2x whose focal distance is 5 by 2. So in general, we need to compare the given parabola with y square is equals to 4ax. Okay. So for that one, I am taking solution now. So here I am writing formula for that. First I am taking standard form of the parabola, that is y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. So this 4ax I am comparing with y square is equals to 2x. Comparing with y square is equal to 2x. By comparison, here I am getting 4a value is 2. 4a value is 2. A is equals to 2 by 4, that is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Next here, focal distance formula. What is focal distance? So here I am writing formula focal distance. Focal distance formula is x1 plus a, that is given by 5 by 2. Okay. So here a value how much we got? 1 by 2. Replace here x1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. x1 is equals to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. For this LCM is 2. 5 minus 1 we can be written as 4 by 2, that is equals to 2. So here I got x1 is equal to 2. Since a point P x1 comma y1 lies on the parabola y square is equal to 2x is y1 square is equal to 2x1, right? So here I got x1 value how much? 2. Replace here I am getting that value of y1. So y1 square is equal to 2 into 2, that is equals to 4. Implies y1 is equal to, I am getting plus or minus 2. So here the point is, we have taken in general x1 comma y1 no. So here is equals to x1 value to y1 value plus or minus 2. This can be written as 2 points like 2 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 2. Okay. This is the, or these are the points satisfies the focal distance. Okay na? Right. Now we can go for the next question. Question number 2. So here if 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity of a focal chord y square is equal to 8x, find the coordinates of the other extremity. Y square is equal to 8x, find the coordinates of the other extremity. So here in general, right, in general we can take a t1 square comma 2a t1, right, formula I am writing, and a t2 square comma 2a t2 are the end points of a focal chord Okay. So now the given point I am comparing with one first point. Okay, so here now I am taking solution. Here I have written that formula now. Okay, now here I am taking first point a t1 square comma 2a t1, that is equal to given point is 1 by 2 comma 2, and one more equation parabola is given, y square is equal to 8x. So the given parabola equation we need to compare with our original formula or standard formula of the parabola. That is what y square is equal to 4ax. By comparison, I am getting 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 8 by 4, that is nothing but 2. 8 by 4 I am getting it as 2. Okay, so here by comparison I am getting a t1 square is equal to 1 by 2, implies I can write that value of a is 2, right? So 2 times of t1 square is equal to 2, implies t1 square is equal to 1 by 4, implies t1 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. t1 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So here focal chord condition value is t1 into t2 is equal to minus 1. So here replace, or if you take t1 is equal to 1 by 2 or t1 is equals to minus 1 by 2, depends on condition. So here I am taking only plus sign. Okay, 1 by 2. So if you take 1 by 2, replace here 1 by 2 into t2 is equal to minus 1, implies t2 is equal to, these two will goes to right side. In the sense already left side is denominator is there. So right side goes to reciprocal. In the sense t2 can be written as minus 2. So here other extremity already I have taken in the beginning only. That is what? A t2 square comma 2a t2. So that only here I am writing a t2 square comma 2a t2. So this is equal to a. Already here I calculated a value as 2. So 2 into t2 square. t2 value is minus 2. Minus 2 square is nothing but 4. Okay. Comma 2a t2. So 2 into a into t2 value is again we can write it as minus 2. So this is equals to point I got here 8 comma minus 8. 2 to the 4. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. So other extremity of the focal chord is 8 comma minus 8. Okay. Now right. So here the third question is show that the line 2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 is a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 16x. Find the point of contact also. So here we have the formula, right? So the formula is, in general, first I am writing formula, y is equal to mx plus c. I am writing the formula, right? So y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Then the condition is C is equal to A by M. C is equal to A by M. This is the condition. A line touches the parabola is touches the parabola or tangent to the parabola, the condition is y square is equal to 4ax. Touches the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax, condition is c is equals to a by m. So here, coming to the question, so I am writing solution for the given question. So first given line equation is 2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This can be written as y is equal to 2x plus 2. Here minus y is there, that minus y I am taking to the right side, that can be written as plus y. Okay, y is equal to 2x plus 2. Here I can write m value as 2 and c value is also 2 by the comparison given formula. Comparison with our formula, y is equal to mx plus c. And next here one more thing, given parabola is y square is equal to 16x. This one I am comparing with our original parabola y square is equal to 4ax. By comparison, I am getting 4a is equal to 16, a is equal to 16 by 4, that is nothing but 4. So here, by the condition of the tangent to the parabola is c is equal to a by m. So here c, I am writing c value is 2 is equal to a, right, a by m. A is how much here? 4 by m value 2. So if we cancel this, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 only. So here 2 is equal to 2. In the sense, the given parabola is the given equation is a tangent to the parabola by observation of c is equal to a by m. In the sense, this line touches the parabola. Okay. Now in the question he is asking to find the point of contact. So here the point of contact is, so point of contact is equal to formula here a by m square, right, comma 2a by m. What is that formula? A by m square comma 2a by m. So here already I have the value of a, that is nothing but 4 by m. M is nothing but 2. 2 square will goes to 4 comma 2a. So 2 into 4, that can be written as 8 by m. A by m square comma 2a by m, no. So m value is 2, right. So here by cancellation, 4 ones are 4 out, next 2 ones are 2 fours are out. So here the point is 1 comma 4, right. Find the point of contact also, in the sense at point 1 comma 4 this line touches the parabola y square is equal to 16x. Okay, right. Right. Now coming to question number 4. So here the question is, find the points on the parabola y square is equals to 8x whose focal distance is 10 units. Whose focal distance is 10 units. So this question model already we have done in first question. So direct here I am writing y square is equal to 8x is there. That one we are comparing with y square is equal to 4ax, right. 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 8 by 4, that is nothing but 2. And focal distance formula is x1 plus a, that is equals to 10. A value here I got 2, replace here. So x1 plus 2 is equal to 10, right. X1 is equal to 8. So here since point P x1 comma y1, point P x1 comma y1 lies on y square is equal to 8x. Condition is y1 square is equal to 8x1. y1 square is equal to 8x1. x1 value is how much? 8. Replace here y1 square is equal to 8 into 8, that is equal to 64. Implies y1 is equal to plus or minus 8. So here point is x1 comma y1, right? So here y1 got plus or minus 8. That one here I am writing as in 2 points. So 8 comma 8 and one more point, that is 8 comma minus 8. 8 comma 8 and 8 comma minus 8. This is the point. Okay, right. Right. Now go for the question number 5. Find the vertex and focus of the given parabola x square minus 6x minus y, x square minus 6x minus y. Here the question is wrong here. Just we need to make right. The question is here x square minus 6x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the actual question of this. Okay. What is the question? X square minus 6x minus 6y plus 6. Because according to exact question only we need in exam. Okay. For that only I modified this. Or you can try this question as in homework. Right. Right. So I am doing here modified question. You can try this question is also, nothing will happen. You will get this question also. Okay. Alright. So here for this question I am taking solution. Right. So here right, x square minus 6x I am fixing in left side. Okay. This is equals to 6y minus 6. Next to x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square is equal to 6y minus 6 plus 3 square. Both sides I am adding 3 square. Okay. So here x square minus 2ab plus b square. This can be written as x minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square. So here leftover value is 6y minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 6y minus 6 plus 9 is nothing but plus 3. Here I need to take common 6, coefficient of y, whatever it may be, I need to take common that only. 6 into y plus 3 by 6 goes to 1 by 2. So this is what? X minus 3 whole square. Right? X minus 3 whole square is equal to like this. So here in general we have the value, or we have the formula, or we need to compare with the formula. X minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. By the comparison here I am getting h value as 3 and 4a value I am getting it as 6. A is equal to 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. Okay. And k value is minus 1 by 2. In the question he is asking vertex and focus. Right? In the question he is asking vertex and focus. So here vertex is equal to h comma k. Right? This is equals to h value 3. Right? And k value is minus 1 by 2. And next to focus. Right? focus formula is h comma k plus a. H comma k plus a. So this is equals to h value is how much? 3 comma k plus a. K value minus 1 by 2 plus a value 3 by 2. So 2 LCM minus 1 plus 3 is 2, 2 by 2, 1. So here this is equals to 3 comma 1. Okay, right. So if you go to the original question, right, that I will prove that question also here. So here x square minus 6x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. If you take this question, right, so here I need to send this term minus y plus 6 to the right side. Okay, so here x square minus 6x is equal to y minus 6. Right. So same thing here, x square minus 2 into 3 into x, right, plus 3 square, add both sides, y minus 6, right, plus 3 square. So here this can be written as x minus 3 whole square, because a minus b whole square formula is appearing, is equals to y minus 6 plus 9. Minus 6 plus 9 goes to 3 plus 3, right, y plus 3. So here again I need to compare with our formula, x minus h whole square is equal to, formula is 4a into y minus k. So by the comparison I am getting h value 3, right, and 4a value here I am getting 1, a is equal to 1 by 4, and k value is minus 3. So here I am getting k value. How much I am getting k value? Minus 3. So here focus. What is first here I am finding vertex. After that I can go for focus. Vertex is equal to formula h comma k. Vertex is equal to h comma k. So this is equals to 3 comma minus 3. And focus. Focus formula is h comma k plus a. So this is equal to h value 3 comma k value minus 3, a value 1 by 4. So this is equals to 3 comma LCM I am taking 4, minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, minus 12 plus 1, minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11. So 4. This is the answer for this question, which is not modified by. Okay, if it is modified according to the textbook, I am getting 3 comma 1 is the focus, right, and 3 comma minus 1 by 2 is the vertex, right. 3 comma minus 1 by 2 is vertex and 3 comma 1 is focus. Modified question. If you are not modifying, we need to get 3 comma minus 3 is focus, I mean vertex, 3 comma minus 3 is vertex, right, and focus is 3 comma minus 11 by 4. Okay, now right, now go for the next question. Here the question same model, find the axis and direction. In the before question he is asking to find focus and vertex. In this question he is asking axis and directrix. He is asking axis and directrix of the parabola. So here the given question y square is there, y square term and y term leave in the constant, I mean left side, remaining term to the right side. Right. So here I am taking solution. So given question I am writing first, y square plus 6y minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Right. So this one I am modifying it as y square plus 6y is equal to 2x minus 5. So next modification is implies y square plus 2 into 3 into y. Here b value is there in bracket value, that is 3. So I am taking b square, right? In the sense added 3 square. In left side also added 3 square, right side also we need to add. So minus 5 plus 3 square. So here in this condition a square plus 2ab plus b square formula is there. Implies this can be written as y plus 3 whole square is equals to 2x minus 5 plus 9. Minus 5 plus 9, that is nothing but plus 4. Okay. So this can be written as 2 times of taking common 2, x plus 4 by 2, that is 2. So here I need to compare with our formula. So what is that formula is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. I need to compare with y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. At the time of comparison, I am getting k is equal to minus 3, right? And 4a is equal to 2, right? And h is equal to minus 2. So here 4a, here I got 4a is equal to 2, no? So a is equal to 2 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2. Right? So here in the question he is asking equation of the axis. So axis in the sense left side whatever it may be, that goes to equation of axis. So left side who is there? Y minus k is there. Right. So axis is y minus k is equal to 0. In the sense here y minus k value is there in k value minus 3, no? So minus of minus, that will become plus, right? So y plus 3 is equal to 0. That is what? Equation of the axis. Next one more he is asking to find, that is directrix. That is what? Directrix. So I am writing directrix also. So directrix of the parabola is x is equal to h minus a. X is equal to h minus a, or x minus h plus a is equal to 0. X minus h plus a. Here right side x minus h is there. For that one we need to add a, or x is equal to h minus a. Okay. So is equal to h value how much we got? Minus 2, and a value is there in 1 by 2. That is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 by 2. Implies 2 cross multiply. So 2x is equal to minus 5, right? Implies 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of the directrix of the given question. Okay, right. Right. Now go for the next question. So here question number 7. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 1 comma minus 7, right? And vertex is given by 1 comma minus 2. So by the observation of the question, we can observe in vertex and focus. In focus and vertex, or vertex and focus, coefficient of x term or x term are same, right? So in this focus and vertex, x position is same. In the sense, the given equation is parallel to x-axis, or the required parabola equation is parallel to x-axis. So here I am writing for vertex, right? Given vertex h comma k is given by 1 comma minus 2, and focus s is equal to given by, that is what, 1 comma minus 7. So in these two, x term is same, right? X position is same. So small a is calculated here. In general, vertex can be taken as capital A. Small a is equal to distance between focus and vertex. Small a is nothing but distance between focus and vertex, right? So this is equals to 1 minus 1 square plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We can apply the formula. So minus 7 plus 2 whole square under root, right? So 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 7 plus 2 is 5, minus 5 square is 25, again square root will get cancelled, 5. So here in this x term is same, in the sense x position is the same. So here I am writing that formula parallel to x-axis of the parabola here required. So the formula is x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Here why I am choosing this formula, in the sense vertex is there and this equation is parallel to x-axis. How can we say? In the sense, in these 2 points x position is the same. Okay. So here already I have h value and k value also I have, a value also I have. Just here only I need to replace it, right? So here this can be written as x minus 1 whole square is equals to, right, 4 into a value is in 5 into y minus k. K value is how much? Minus 2. Minus of minus, that will become plus 2. Next here, one more thing we need to observe. In this y coordinate are in both negative. In y coordinate both are in negative. So here I need to take a is equal to minus 5. When we need to take here, in y coordinate both will be negative. In that position, after getting a, just I need to operate minus. So here I am writing this is in minus, right? X minus 1 whole square is equals to minus 20, 4 5s are 20 into y plus 2. That is our final answer. Okay, na? Right. So what is our value? X minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 20 into y plus 2. This is my answer. All right. Right. Next question. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus 3, 1 and vertex 3, minus 2. In before problem, we did same model, but here also same thing. X position is the same. X position is same, right? And y position, one is negative and one is in positive, right? So here x position same, in the sense small a is equal to distance between focus and vertex. So first I am writing vertex capital A, right? Capital A is equal to vertex h comma k, right, is equal to 3 minus 2. Vertex is 3 minus 2 and focus s in general we can take, right? So s is equals to 3 1. Small a is calculated by distance between these 2 points, se. So here 3 minus 3, 0, and minus 2 minus 1, minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is nothing but plus 3, and that is nothing but 3 only, right? So here a value we got 3. So after that x position is same in both, no? So here equation of the parabola is x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. So already we have h comma k, that is 3 comma minus 2. So here x minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 into 3 into y, k value minus over minus, that is plus. Alright. So here one term is in negative y position, one term is in positive. Right. Here this is positive in focus, vertex is in negative. One term is in negative, one term is in positive. So here no need to write minus for this a. A should be minus when both are in negative. A should be minus, both are in negative. But here one term is in positive, one term is in negative, so no need, right? So here my final answer of this question is x minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 3s are 12 into y plus 2. This is the final answer of this question. Okay, right. Right. Now go for the next question. So here the question is, find the value of k if the line 2y is equal to 5x plus k is a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 6x. So in the beginning we have taken one formula, y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Then the condition is c is equal to a by m. So here that formula, here again I am remembering now. So y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to 4ax. Condition is y square is equal to 4ax. Condition is c is equal to a by m. So here given line equation is what? 2y is equal to 5x plus k. That one I am writing here now. 2y is equal to 5x plus k. So here y is equal to 5 by 2 into x plus k by 2. 5 by 2 into x plus k by 2. Okay. So next here I need to compare with our formula. Y square is equal to 6x. I need to compare with y square is equal to 4ax, standard formula of the parabola. By comparison I am getting 4a is equal to 6, a is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. Here what is our condition? C is equal to a by m. Implies C value is here how much? K by 2. Right? So k by 2 is equal to a. A value is there in 3 by 2. Right? By m. M value is how much? 5 by 2. Right? Here I can cancel this 2 and this 2. Right? Implies k is equal to, or k by 2 is equal to 3 by 5. So implies cross multiply left side denominator to the right side numerator, right? K is equal to 3 into 2 will goes to 6, 6 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, the value of k is what? 6 by 5. Right. Now go for the next question. So here find the equation to the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4x, which is parallel to the line y minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. So here slope of the given line is what? Minus a by b in general. right? Slope of this line is what? M. I am taking here M. That is what? Minus A by B. This is A. This is B. Right? That is equals to minus of minus 2 plus 2. M value how much we are getting? 2 minus A by B. Here only we need coefficients, right? So minus A by B, I got M value as in 2. So now the parabola is given y square is equal to 4x, right? That one I need to compare with y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax here. By comparison, I am getting it as 4a is equal to 4 implies a is equal to 1, right? Equation of the normal to the parabola, we have the formula, right? I am writing that formula. Equation of the normal to the parabola, equation of the normal to the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax or lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 in general, right? So to the parabola is what is that formula? Y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. What is that formula? Y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So here replace in that y is equal to m. M value is how much? 2. So replace it as 2. 2 into x, right? Minus 2 into a. A value is there in 1. M value is there in 2. Minus a 1. M value 2. So that is nothing but 2 cube. Right? So this is equal to 2x minus 4 minus 8 implies the line equation is y is equal to 2x minus 12. So make it over one side, right? So 2x minus y, this y I am taking to right side, 2x minus y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the required normal equation to the given line parallel. In the sense this line is also normal, but for this line parallel he is asking in this question. Okay, right. Now go for the next question. So here the question is find the equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 16x inclined an angle 60 degrees with its axis, and also find the point of contact. Okay, so here I am taking this parabola with our standard form comparison. Y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to 4ax, right? So a is equal to 4 I can get, and here angle is there. In general angle we can take it as in tan theta, slope m is equal to tan theta. Theta value is nothing but 60 degrees. So this is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is in how much? Root 3. M is equal to tan 60, that is nothing but root 3. Okay. So now here equation of the tangent he is asking. So equation of the tangent formula is y is equal to mx plus a by m. This is the formula. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. So implies y is equal to m. M value is how much? Root 3, right? Root 3 into x plus a. A value is how much? 4 by m value is there in root 3. This is the tangent for the given question, right? So next, in the question again he is asking find the point of contact, right? So point of contact contact. So formula is a by m square comma 2a by m. What is that formula? A by m square comma 2a by m. So that is equal to a value is there in 4 by m square. M square is nothing but m is root 3. M square is in 3. Okay. So by 2 into 4, 8. 8 by root 3. 8 by root 3. Okay. This is the answer for the given question. Okay. Alright. Yeah, thank you everyone. Okay.